Screen is visible, ma? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the subject code MA8551. Okay, subject code MA8551. Now the syllabus of the topic. Okay, now subject name algebra and number theory. Okay, there are 5 units. Unit 1 groups and rings. Unit 2 finite fields and polynomials. Unit 3 divisibility theory and canonical decompositions. Okay, Unit 4 Diophantine equations and concurrences. Okay. Unit 5 classical theorems and multiplicative functions. Okay. Before enter the topics, okay, just I will give the some introduction of the algebra and number theory. Okay. What is algebra? Anyone can say what is algebra? Students, anyone can say what is algebra? I will tell you. Algebra is one of the broad area of the mathematics. Okay. Algebra is one of the broad areas of the mathematics together with the number theory and geometry and analysis. Okay. There are more types of the algebra. Okay. Anybody know the types of the algebra? Students? Types of the algebra, ma? Algebra school la irundhe padichirkeengalappa 7th la irundhe irukku 6th to is it right ma 6th standard la irundhe algebra irukkallappa students hello students voice is audible ma okay what is algebra well can say simple definition of the algebra what is algebra okay. Simply we can say algebra is the branch of maths that uses alphabetic letter to find unknown numbers okay to find unknown numbers okay for example x plus 2 is equal to 3 okay ba x plus 2 is equal to 3 what is x value x plus 2 is equal to 3 okay ba then x is equal to okay simply we can say that is to find this some variables okay mama another algebra okay now we know that the values which are known in the given expression the numbers are called constants okay ba appo x plus 2 is equal to 3 na enama x is equal to 5 that is the variable is equal to constant okay ba okay so there are more types of the algebra okay that is the elementary algebra abstract algebra linear algebra boolean algebra then commutative algebra computer algebra there are more types of the algebra okay now we are going to see the algebraic and number theory okay that is the our topic algebra and number theory okay புரியுதாமா அல்ஜிப்ராங்கிறது ஒரு பெரிய மேக்ஸ்லயே வந்து ஒரு பெரிய ஏரியா ஓகேவா அதுலயே வந்து there are more types of the algebra நம்ம இப்ப பார்க்க போறது என்ன அப்படின்னா algebra and number theory ஓகேவா that is nothing but that is the algebraic extension of the field of rational numbers is the called the algebraic number theory. Okay வாமா, algebraic ஓட extension of the field of rational numbers என்ன சொல்றது, algebraic and number theory. புரியுதாமா? algebraic ஓட extension of the field of rational number, that is called the algebraic and number theory. Okay, it is the branch of the number theory. Okay, algebraic number theory is a branch of number theory that is uses of the techniques of the abstract algebra. Okay va, the algebraic and number theory is abstract algebra. Okay, it is to study the integers, rational numbers and generalizations. Okay, then we know that some numbers types of the numbers. Okay, types of the numbers எதுலாமா, numbers எல்லாமே தெரியும்லப்பா? Yes ma, numbers, types of numbers. Students, are you clear ma? Algebraic number theory na puriyudappa? That is nothing but algebraic extension of the field of rational numbers. Okay va, adha enadha algebraic and number theory. இந்த கான்செப்ட் தான் இதுல ஃபுல்லாவே நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகேவா? algebra வந்து extension of the rational numbersங்கிறது தான் என்னது, algebraic number theory. Okay, then algebraic number theory, it is the branch of number theory. Okay, it is uses the techniques of the abstract algebra to study the integers and rational numbers and the generalizations. Okay, before that we just recall the types of the numbers. Types of the numbers ma, students? Types of the yes ma,
integer,
numbers like integers. Then ma, types of numbers.
Composite numbers, whole numbers.
Yes ma. Okay, first one, natural numbers. Natural numbers allama. Okay, what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers ma, natural numbers. Okay, the set of natural number that is denoted by n. Okay, n is equal to natural number enna denote பண்ணுமோ, that is capital N. Okay, the set of natural numbers, it is denoted by capital N, that is equal to set of natural numbers la சொல்லுங்க. For example,
1 2 3
1 2 3 4 etc. Yes ma. Okay, that is the set of natural numbers. Okay, then next type ma, first natural number, then
whole numbers.
Whole number that is denoted by the set of the whole numbers denoted by
W, capital
W. Yes ma, capital W. W is equal to
0 1 2 3 4.
Yes, okay, that is the whole number. Okay, W is equal to 0 1 2 3 etc. That is the starting from 0. Okay, natural number starting from 1. Okay, then integers ma, integer number.
-1 -2 -3 0 1 2 3 4.
Yes ma, good. Okay, that is okay, integers that is denoted by the letter
Capital Z.
capital Z. Okay, then next pa, real
Prime
numbers. Real number, prime number is okay, prime number ங்கிறது pa,
which is divided by itself.
yes ma. Yes ma, prime number. Okay va. Okay, then next pa, okay, prime number அடுத்து real number. real number that is denoted by r. Okay ba? All the positive and negative integers, fractional and decimal numbers without imaginary irundhathu enapa real number. Okay, real complex theriyulama students, real number theriyulama. Okay, complex number that is the imaginary part. Okay ba, real and imaginary part. Okay, without imagining the real part. Okay ba, sorry, real numbers. Okay, complex number la theriyulama imaginary parts varum. Okay, okay, then rational number ma, rational number, irrational number, complex number, imaginary number. Is it right ma? That are the types of numbers. Okay, rational number na enna ma?
Numbers can be written in fraction.
Yes ma, good. Any number that can be written in the form enapa rational number form of the rational number
1/2, 3/4.
Yes ma. Okay, that is generally we can say p by q. Okay, q must be not equal to not equal to 0. Okay, okay, generally form of the rational number p by q. Okay, then rational number that is the denoted by the letter capital Q. Q is equal to p by q. Okay, irrational number ma, irrational students, irrational ma.
Numbers which cannot be written in fraction forms.
Yes ma, good. Okay, that is the irrational number. Okay, then complex number. Complex number ma, real number ingradhu enapa without imaginary part. Okay ba, complex number
Complex number a plus bi ma'am.
Yes ma, good. Okay ba, a plus bi. Okay, that is a is the real part and b into I is the imaginary part. Okay ba, that is the b is the imaginary. Okay, then properties of numbers ma, properties of numbers, properties la theriyuma school la padichachu. Properties of numbers.
Yes ma'am.
Properties of numbers ma.
Commutative, associative, distributive.
Yes ma, good. Yes ma, good. Commutative property. Commutative property pa.
A plus b equal to b plus a.
Yes ma. Then product. Okay ba, a into b is equal to b into a. Okay, commutative property. Then associative property ma.
A plus b dot c is equal to a plus b dot a plus c.
Yes. Okay, there are three real numbers. Okay, here we have to consider three real numbers. Okay, a b, for example, a b c. Okay, okay, then distributive property.
A into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac.
Yes ma, good. Okay, that is the commutative property. Sorry, distributive property. Okay, okay, then வேற என்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ்லாம் இருக்குமா? Any more properties? Any more properties, ma? Closure property. Do you remember that? Closure property, ma? Closure property na enappa? For example, closure property 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, va? And the 1ங்கிறது ஒரு real number, 2ங்கிறது real number. ரெண்டு real number add பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு result என்னப்பா கிடைக்குது?
Real number, man.
Real number. Okay, that is the closure property. Okay, if we added here two real number, okay, then we will get the another real number. Okay, ba? That is the closure property. Then identity property, ma? Identity property. Identity property. Okay. Identity property, that is nothing but if we add 0 to a number or multiply by 1. Okay. For example, a plus 0 equal to a plus 0 equal to
A.
அப்போ ஆட் பண்ணும்போது இப்போ 0 ஆட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா அதே நம்பர் தானமா கிடைக்குது. இப்போ 2 plus 0 equal to 2. ஓகேவா? That is the number will not unchanged. ஓகேவா? That is the number will remain unchanged. Okay, a plus 0 equal to a. Suppose multiply by 1 அப்படின்னா a into 1 is equal to
A.
ஓகேவா? That is the identity property. If we add 0 to a number or multiply by 1, the number will remain unchanged. Okay, that is the identity property. Okay. Then additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse, ma? Additive inverse, for example, 2 plus of minus 2 is equal to 2 plus of minus 2 is equal to
0.
0. Okay, that is the additive inverse is nothing but if your number is added to its own negative number, then the result is 0. Okay, mama. Additive inverse is nothing but that is if your number is added to its own negative number. Okay. So, 2 is the one number, okay, then added to its own negative number, that is minus 2, then the result is equal to 0. Okay, that is the additive inverse. Okay, the properties are important, ma. Okay, that are we are going to use the properties. Algebra topic. So the syllabus is first one groups and rings. Okay, ba? There are more topics. Groups, that's the definition of the groups. Then properties. Properties ipo paathomma commutative, associative property. Okay, that all we are going to use in the groups. Okay, definition. Then properties, homomorphism, isomorphism, cyclic groups, cousins, Lagrange's theorem. Next topic, groups and rings. Okay, ba? Rings, then definition, subrings, internal domain, field. Okay, field, integer modulo, and homomorphism, ring homomorphism. Okay, that is in the contains in the first unit. Okay, then second unit, finite fields and polynomials. Okay, the unit 1 and 2 வந்து algebra ma, okay va, then remaining 3 units வந்து number theory. Okay va, so we'll start from the unit 3. It is simply easy. Okay, ஃபுல்லா தியரமா தான் இருக்குமா, ஓகேவா, ப்ராப்ளமேட்டிக்கா எதுவுமே நிறைய இருக்காது, ஃபுல்லா தியரம் தான். ஓகே, Unit 3, divisibility theory and canonical decomposition. It contains the topics of division algorithm, then base B representations, then number patterns, prime and composite number, GCD, okay, that is the greatest common divisor, then Euclidean algorithm, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, then LCM. Okay, these are the unit 3. ஓகே, புக்கு வந்து பாலாஜி யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்ப்பா, அல்ஜிப்ரா நம்பர் தியரி. ஓகே, உங்களோட ரெஃபரன்ஸ்க்கு பாலாஜி புக் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், சரியாம்மா?
மேம்,
எஸ்ப்பா.
இ புக் இருக்கா மேம் பாலாஜிக்கு?
இ புக் கிடைக்கல, நான் நோட் சென்ட் பண்றேன் உங்களுக்கு, ஓகேவா?
ஓகே மேம்.
ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க, நெட்ல சர்ச் பண்ணுங்க, ஓகேவா? கிடைச்சா டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. எனக்கு கிடைக்கல.
ஏன்னா ப்ரீவியஸ் செமஸ்டருக்கும் பாலாஜி சர்ச் பண்ணதுக்கு கிடைக்கல, அதுதான் மேம் கேட்டேன்.
கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்குதுப்பா, நானும் சர்ச் பண்ணேன், கிடைக்கல. நான் நோட்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் கொடுத்துறேன் உங்களுக்கு, ஓகேவா?
ஓகே மேம்.
ஃபுல் தியரம் தான்ப்பா, ஓகேவா?
ஓகே மேம்.
ஓகேப்பா. ஓகே, ஃப்ரம் டுமாரோ வில் ஸ்டார்ட் தி கிளாஸஸ். ஓகே, யூனிட் 3 ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே, பிஃபோர் தட் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ கேன் யூ introduce yourself, ma? One by one.
My name is Jay Surya, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Okay.
I am from Ambattur. Ambattur.
Ambattur, okay. Then, what about others?
Ma'am, I am Abhinav, ma'am.
Abhinav, okay.
From Tiruvattriyur.
Tiruvattriyur, okay, ma'am. Abhinav. Okay, next, ma.
I am Archana, ma'am.
Archana.
From Mathur.
From?
Mathur.
Mathur. Chennai thanappa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Archana. Harshavardhan from Bethesda. Okay. Students, then others, ma?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma.
I'm Nazneen Banu from Perambur.
Perambur, okay. Nazneen Banu.
Banu. Nazneen Banu.
Nazneen Banu. Then others? Chaurmadi from Tiruvallur. Okay. Chaurmadi. Faster. Students, remaining students. Okay, ma. Students, please answer your attendance. Adilakshmi. Adilakshmi.
Present, ma'am.
Aarti. Okay. Aarti present amma. Abhinav present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Abhisheka
Present, ma'am.
okay. Adikesha
Present, ma'am.
okay. Akshaya
Present, ma'am.
Usastri
Present, ma'am.
okay. Anthony Rosik absent amma. Anthony okay. Aravindan
Is there anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Aravindan present okay. Archana
Present, ma'am.
okay. Archana C Archana
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Arun Kumar okay ma. Arun Kumar
Present, ma'am.
Aravind
Present, ma'am.
Vamsi Krishna Reddy okay. Benny Priya
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Bullu Geeta Vapa
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Charmadi present
Present, ma'am.
okay. Tarun okay. Chandru
Present, ma'am.
A Danush okay. U Danush
Present, ma'am. You, Dhanush.
Divya okay ma. Divya Dinesh Dinesh
Present, ma'am.
okay ma. Godson
Present, ma'am.
okay. Google Krishnan
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Raj
Present, ma'am.
Gunasegaran
Present, ma'am.
Harigaran N Harigaran
Present, ma'am.
yes Harigaran is absent okay. Harshavardhan present. Indira
Present, ma'am.
okay. Johnavi
Yes, ma'am.
Jay